Hey guys, I'm here at the MakerGear box. I'd never heard of these guys before I walked in here, but this is they're doing some really good stuff. This is how they make their printers. This is a milled piece of aluminum with slides, and this is solid, solid as it can get. Better than anything I've yet to see. They get rated really high in a lot of places, even though I have never heard of them. Right off the printer, I'm told. Nice detail. Heck, I can't even see the lines on that. I know that ain't 0mm lines. I can see that. See a little in there, but it's cool. These are all a bunch of jigs where they're putting together a military part. I was told no post-processing on this. No post-processing whatsoever. Making jigs and making soldering patterns. You put that back where I got it from. And of course, you got to have a warp core. Who doesn't love a warp core? And I got a little demonstration of all this just a moment ago. Nice. This is a military piece of hardware that they have to screw on and screw off. They got tired of screwing it off, so they made them a jig. It goes right on a bolt. Oops, snaps right on there if I can one hand all this stuff. Yep. Just snaps right on. And this is their testing jig. And the little cord here, they're testing it with a bit of weight on it. This thing has to run to about 50,000 iterations before it says and done. And this bracket's going to hold up for all 50,000 plus of those. Fantastic. I think these guys are awesome. And I never heard of them before, but I'm certainly going to go look them up. Had a good talk with, and Ringo is kicking it up for everybody over there. Yeah, with the bling. And the printers are really nice printers. These guys are great guys. And I need to know more about them. I think you should too.